I have to come clean with you guys. There's some very unfortunate news about the Mustang build. So the plan for the car has been patchy and very slow. However, there has been more progress made in a shorter amount of time than I could have ever had hoped. I bought the car back in early June and I had planned to get it done by Christmas time on a good schedule. And I was very ahead of schedule, great on time, and the car was going absolutely beautifully until this hiccup. Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to another vlog. It always happens to be quite some time before I produce a video, but I need to go to the garage and I need to talk to you guys. So here it is. It has been at the shop for just over a month. I had them, inspect this alignment and suspension components up front on this side because this is the side the car was hit. If you're new to the channel, this whole side of the car was sideswiped. Both bumpers still need to be done. I went ahead and did some work to the inside of the car, and this is where it's really taking shape. Both mirrors on. The S550 mirrors are a lot harder than the S197 mirrors. So I get the mirrors on, the door panels, the headliner, all the interior trim. The interior is taken care of, which is a huge deal. I got these Broms for a little bit. I'm not sure if I really like them, so we're gonna see how this plays out. But we got this quarter panel painted up nicely to match the factory color. Oh man, Colorado wintertime is underway, let me tell you, and it is cold. Drew's been over here helping me, but he wasn't able to make it tonight, so I tried to do some of the front bumper, and it worked out not half bad. So I still got this little bottom piece to do in here, but I did this side as well as the middle, and then Drew started on this side, but the whole car is basically done. I got to find out what to do with the mirrors and then the rear bumper, and then it is done. I got the hood still too, but it's red, so it's a low priority compared to the bumpers. But man, it just looks so good sitting here. So it's about an hour and a half later, and I've been working on the car very solid, getting a lot of stuff done. I just backed it in, but we got the bottom of the front bumper done. That is the whole front bumper done. Hard, but not as hard as I thought. I did it in little chunks. Obviously, it's not a show car. It's going to be an autocross car ultimately, but it turned out a lot better than I thought it would. And so I backed it in and got the new spoiler on. This looks incredible. It's the MB Performance GT500 spoiler with a wicker bill, and I think that's just the extra touch, and I love it so much. So I'm very excited about that. And then the rear bumper is also completed. This is huge. I'm so excited. And we still got the exhaust to install tomorrow. But other than that, the car is done. And this is huge. This was a big project, the biggest one I've taken on the channel in my life. So I'm very super excited to see it in this stage. I went ahead and got a jump start on the day, got the Mustang pulled out. It's in the driveway, backed up. We're about to install the exhaust today. It's the kind of last final hoorah that I wanted to do. All of my cars have had pretty gnarly exhausts on them, so this kind of tops it off and makes it mine, I guess. So the car is, as you can see, done. All right, so it's up in the air. I went ahead and already got this fender liner in and attached. It's all secure. Everything looks great. So now I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this exhaust and see what we're dealing with. I have a little list here of things that need to get done today. Right on, everyone. So I got the new exhaust all laid out right here. Very excited about this. It's a small upgrade for now. Boom. Like an hour later, the new exhaust is already on. That was super easy to install. A lot easier than the S197s, which is a little strange, but tips are big, they look good. Super excited. I'm gonna go ahead and get it on the ground and then give it a little startup, see how it sounds. What is going on, guys? So it is about 10 o'clock. The old exhaust is off. Everything that I wanted to get done to the car is done to the car. Very awesome. I feel accomplished. It's good. I don't know what else to do right now, so I'm gonna call, see if I can't get insurance, but for now, that's all we got. What is going on, guys? So I am back at home. Man, I cannot make this up. I thought it was gonna be the end of the video. I thought that was over. I thought the car was done for now, but I was wrong. So, took the car on the maiden voyage, a little ride around the block, and am currently now waiting on a tow truck with the car. So, somewhere along the drive, it started sputtering and lost, I think, fuel pressure. And I'm thinking the fuel pump's bad because it hasn't driven for 2 years or so. And then me taking it out on the first time, very likely it feels like the fuel pump could be, you know, all gummed up or something. But yeah, so right now I'm waiting on the tow truck to come back, but there is no winning with this car right now. It is thing after thing after thing. So we're gonna get it back. I'm gonna scan it, see what the engine light says, and then see if I can't get this fixed and on the road today or tomorrow, because man, I was so excited to have it done. So excited. All right, here it is. The car's back at home. Let's scan it, see if I can maybe get a problem out of it. But yeah, this is a bummer. It's cold out here. Nobody wants to be out here right now. Despite it being sunny, it does not feel sunny out. All right, guys. So what happened is I was driving down the highway. It drove fine around the neighborhood. It drove fine to go to like the car wash and test drives around the neighborhood. But as soon as I got it on the highway, some higher RPMs, higher speeds, it started sputtering and it died. Car sputtered, turned off. I was sitting on the side of the road, would not start again. So my initial thought was this gas has been in here for 2 years now. That could be an issue, as well as some other fuel delivery issue. That's my guess, because if it was a spark issue, I feel like it would have been going on the whole time, not just as time progressed. So I think it is a fuel issue. And so now the car is in accessory mode, but I'm gonna go ahead and it tries to, but it doesn't crank. So now the more I do it, the battery's getting dead as well. But I got something to show you guys. So got the scan tool going here. All right, let's see what you got. Boom, low fuel pressure. So my thought is it is most definitely the fuel pump. Makes sense. It's been 2 years since the car's been driven, and old gas. So maybe top it off with some new gas and get a new fuel pump in here, because I think that is the issue. So I guess we'll see what happens. It's gonna smell like gas in here, which really sucks, but man, that unboxed a lot of secrets right there. So if you guys just now want to see the car one more time, finally the car is done. Super, super exciting, but a small inconvenience right when we finish. So it's cold out here. I'm gonna go ahead and try to get fuel pump today, because it's Saturday. Sunday's gonna be a lot harder. So thank you for watching today's video. If you liked, please make sure to smash the like button and subscribe to see more Mustang content, more rebuild content, and get you guys next video. Peace. So listen to this. It doesn't have enough volts to start. Got the jump pack on. It's at 12 volts. All right, we're gonna try to start it right now. I am thinking fuel pump or something wrong with the voltage the fuel pump's getting, because obviously it's not getting enough fuel. I'll try one more time. Yeah, no good.
But now you're out of time, out of time.